This is 50 plus acres in Tennessee with a custom home, cabin, pasture, and long-term investment potential. Set in the scenic landscape of Sullivan County, this exceptional estate offers a rare combination of luxury living, productive land, and future development opportunity, all within minutes of major highways and nearby cities. Spanning approximately 51.7 acres in Sullivan County, the property features a well-balanced mix of open pasture and wooded acreage. Over 41 acres are dedicated to productive hayfields, while the remaining wooded section provides privacy, shade, and abundant wildlife habitat. Deer, turkey, and even bear are commonly seen throughout the land, making it ideal for hunting or recreational use. A small pond adds both utility and natural beauty, supporting livestock and enhancing the overall setting. At the heart of the property is a custom-built residence designed for comfort, efficiency, and long-term durability. The home offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and over 3,600 square feet of total space, including 2,061 square feet of heated and cooled living area. Inside, you'll find 9-foot ceilings with tray accents, quality flooring throughout, and a functional layout that connects the kitchen, dining, and living spaces seamlessly. The kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances and designed for everyday living as well as entertaining. Large windows and open living areas bring in natural light while showcasing the surrounding mountain views. Outdoor living is elevated by an impressive 270-foot wraparound porch with ceiling fans, offering panoramic views of East Tennessee and nearby North Carolina. The home is also built with efficiency and resilience in mind, featuring advanced insulation, a Trane HVAC system, and a full security setup. A standout feature is the fully finished 12 by 28 solar-powered cabin, offering additional living space for guests, rental income, or private retreat use. The property also includes a lagoon-style pool with saltwater system, LED lighting, and a sun ledge, creating a resort-like outdoor experience. Conveniently located near Interstate 81 and Interstate 26, and just a short drive to Johnson City and Bristol, the property offers both privacy and accessibility. This Tennessee estate delivers luxury living, usable land, mountain views, and investment upside into one truly rare opportunity.